and I'm back with another video. Hey! And today, guys, you saw that title. You're gonna watch your girl and the Binge kids reorganize and clean out the refrigerator.
Oh no, security!
Okay guys, so we are about to go through my refrigerator and throw out the old stuff. You know, we went grocery shopping, we got a lot of food, so I'm gonna be prepping the food today. But before I prep, I wanna make sure that my refrigerator is nice and organized and clean before I put my prep food in it. So before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a new Binge Bae, let me know down in the comments below so I can shout you out in the next video. All right, see you in the next clip.
6.5 hours later.
All right, guys, we are done organizing and cleaning the refrigerator. It's still gonna be full because we got extra food in there, but it is much better. There's no old food. Everything's organized. You got your almond milk, your egg whites, your creamer, your sweet tea. Oh, we got a head of cabbage here with the jellies and the apple butter and the yogurt. And we got our eggs over here with our leftover pasta and some watermelon and grapes and some just egg. We got some greens down here and some asparagus and some Brussels sprouts. And then all of our bins. This is our bread bin. This is the cheese and meat bin, like if it's turkey bacon and stuff. And then our veggie bin. So yeah, everything is.
I didn't know that
Fruit and veggie bin. Anyways, so yeah, guys, I even cleaned off our sides. We still have a lot of stuff, but we got to throw a lot of stuff away. So I'm happy about that. I'm about to start prepping. Hope you guys enjoyed this organization vlog. Yeah, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll binge on something positive today, you guys. And we'll see you in another video.